I'm getting ready to go to bed, but I did want to talk about something really briefly before I go to sleep. When you are depressed and when you're sad and your feelings are hurt and when you have that horrible feeling of, I just can't believe this just happened to me, how do you handle it? What do you do? I think normally we think about it and it hurts us and it dwells inside of us and we have that overwhelming, oh my gosh, I can't believe it, what am I going to do and how am I going to handle it, and I cannot believe this, and that feeling so slighted. But one thing I don't think that we provide ourselves to talk about much is our coping skills and being able to cope with disappointments and hurt and misunderstandings. The one thing that I've learned over my life is you have to dig down into the Jesus in your heart and say, you know what, Lord, this is not about me, and give it to God. Give your cares, your concerns, your fears, your worries, your disappointments, and put it all in God's hands and know and trust completely that He'll bring resolution and handle it. You have to look at yourself and say, you know, I'm not a bad person. I'm a pretty fantastic woman or a pretty fantastic man. And say, you know what? God, you're going to fix it. And walk away from it. Horizon is going to address depression. Teen pregnancy is such a hard topic to do, and it's something that I don't think that we can do alone. We can help, but we can't solve it. But providing people with doctors and therapists and coping skills and an opportunity to talk and share and bond to work out the emotions inside of them is so fantastic. It's such a great opportunity. I've been really blessed to be around some really, really great people over the past 2 years. I've got some wonderful people that I've talked to this year that have just changed my life in the way that I see things and the way that I view emotions and how people feel. And yet at the same point, I've had to look at myself. You know, I believe we are all saints, but I believe we're sinners to saints. We're not perfect. We all have horrible little things, horrible little secrets and little bad things we've done. Normal, that's what we do, because we're not saints. But we're moving to sainthood. So through the love of God, forgiveness, reaching into who you are and putting it in God's hands, I think we're going to be okay. So just join me on the journey to Horizon, and we'll provide information. And you know, now I'm sleepy, and it's 11:15, and I'm going to bed. So good morning to you early, I guess. Anyway, good night.